Hello friends! Today I am going to tell you how to convert 2D image into 3D for free. Open your browser and search styler.ai. If you do not have an account on Styler, then sign up. You can sign in with your Google account. You can use this popular styles. If you want a custom style, so click on New Project. You can choose canvas from here. You also can custom canvas size. Type project name. Import image and set the image size. There are two styles. First is image to image and second is text to image. Now I am click on image to image because I want to convert 2D image into 3D. Choose realistic style from here. I will create a prompt for this image. You can generate prompt from auto generate option. Click on this button. It will take few seconds to generate. And here is the results. If you want more styles, then click again on this button. Here is the results. Select the best results. Click on this button. Click on Export. Choose File Type and Size. If you want all image, so check on Export, All Layers. I hope you like this tutorial. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.